Ever pondered over how to maintain the sanctity of your bedroom, keeping it clean and tidy? Well, it's not as daunting as it may seem. Today, we journey together through a simple step-by-step guide that will transform your bedroom into a sanctuary of cleanliness and organization. The first step on this journey is a decluttering expedition. Begin by sorting through the items in your space, identifying what is necessary and what has outlived its usefulness. Remember, less is more. When you have fewer items, there are fewer things to clean and organize. So don't hesitate to donate, recycle, or dispose of things you no longer need or use. Next, set a cleaning schedule. Consistency is key when it comes to maintaining a clean and tidy bedroom. Whether it's daily, weekly, or monthly, choose a schedule that works best for you and stick to it. This could involve dusting, vacuuming, and washing your linens on specific days. Then, make your bed every morning. It's a small act, but it can dramatically improve the overall appearance of your bedroom. Plus, it's a great way to start your day with a sense of accomplishment. Another tip is to use storage solutions to your advantage. Incorporate shelves, baskets, and drawer organizers to neatly store your belongings. This not only helps to keep your room tidy, but can also add a touch of style to your space. Also, make it a habit to put things back where they belong after using them. It's an easy and effective way to prevent clutter from building up. Lastly, keep a small trash bin in your room. It encourages you to dispose of waste properly, rather than letting it accumulate. So, to summarize, maintaining a clean and tidy bedroom involves decluttering, setting a cleaning schedule, making your bed daily, using storage solutions, returning items to their rightful place after use, and having a trash bin in your room. By following these simple steps, you can create a serene and organized space that you'll be eager to retreat to at the end of the day. Remember, a clean and tidy bedroom isn't just about aesthetics. It's about creating a space that promotes relaxation, productivity, and overall well-being. So why wait? Embark on your cleanliness journey today and witness the transformation of your bedroom into an oasis of order and tranquility.